Welcome to another episode of Bespoke Architects Design in Detail. This is the Montague Renovation, which is located in Highton. Our clients purchased this split level 1980s townhouse in 2013, the same year that we documented it. The townhouse, as you can see from these images, is constructed from concrete block walls, and it has timber floorboards throughout, which act as the ceiling for the floors below, and then the top story has a raked ceiling that follows the roof line, that's also timber. So this is the floor plan showing how the split levels work. You've got the entry level with the dining and kitchen. You go up a half level to the lounge room, up another half level to the bathroom and a bedroom, and up another level to the second bedroom. This is the kitchen as our clients purchased it. So you can see that it has a sink and a freestanding oven. The kitchen was a U-shape, which divided that bottom entry level into two halves. So this is the dining room half. You can see the entry door there on the left-hand side of this image, and the previous tenant had sort of used, or previous owner rather, sorry, had used it sort of as a sitting room and a dining room, but it was just a little bit too little, as you can see in this next image, to really comfortably be either a kitchen, a dining room, or a sitting room. So what our design solution was, so behind the big pillar there where the heater is the fridge, and then there was a pantry under the stairs. So on the left hand side of this image was the U-shaped kitchen with the dining room, and on the right hand side of this image you can see what we proposed, which was to create a nice long L-shaped kitchen. We tucked the fridge under the stairs, and then at the end of the kitchen towards the window end we actually just put a little extended bar and a seat. So this is the finished photo. You can see we put in a false ceiling to allow downlights to go into the kitchen. So it's still a very basic contemporary white kitchen, but as you can see, it really opens that space up, and you know, you can have spillover seating at the bench. There's also the laundry now located in the kitchen, where previously it was actually located upstairs in the bathroom, which in a minute when we get there you'll see how inconvenient that was. So you can see here we've managed to insert a dishwasher and a much smaller sink. It's still got the cooker. The heater's moved over to the sort of wall, the blank wall between the door and the window. You can see the bar stool there at the end. So this just made it much more of a welcoming space. This is the previous tenant up on that next split level to the lounge room. There you can see the split level stairs heading to the bathroom. Another image of these split level stairs. So it's quite a unique little 1980s design. And then we head into what was the bathroom as our clients purchased it. So you can see it's got a shower over bath on the right hand side of the image, a washing machine, a laundry trough, a vanity unit. You can see the winder for the clerestory window above, and then the toilet with the exposed cistern. So very 1980s and in much need of an update. So again, you can see the existing and the proposed here. The existing, you can see that bath shown, the washing machine, we've shown it as a double vanity, but it's actually that laundry trough and vanity. Then on the right hand side, you can see that we've rotated the shower 90 degrees, put the vanity right next to it, and then the toilet. So the room itself feels much bigger by doing this. We've eliminated the bath altogether. Here you can see the frameless shower screen. It's just a wall hung vanity and a toilet. Then above the toilet and the wall hung vanity is the shaving cabinet mirror. So you've still got plenty of storage. This is the beautiful David Truebridge pendant light that we were able to suspend from the really tall ceilings in this space. And then again, just reminding you what the outside looked like. So we are capable of doing very, very small design solutions for clients, making the house much more livable and much more modern without changing. We didn't change a single internal wall to achieve that. It was really about really good space planning.